Today's word is negligent, failing to exercise the care expected of a reasonably prudent person in like circumstances.
An Indianapolis mother lost custody of her daughter, at least temporarily. The decision follows the death of her toddler, who accidentally shot and killed himself using the mom's gun.
Rich Nye had his camera in the courtroom when the judge issued the no contact order, adding to this mother's grief.
Listen to me.
Kiera Bickett.
Listen to me.
A no contact order.
It's temporary. The child is listed as a witness.
Judge Angela Davis told Bickett for now she can have no unsupervised visits with her 9-year-old daughter. Court records say the girl was in the front seat of a car with Bickett and 2-year-old Javarius Bickett when the boy found a gun in his mother's unzipped purse and shot and killed himself. The shooting happened June 19th while they were driving through a CVS parking lot on the north side of Indy. Bickett is charged with neglect of a dependent resulting in death. The prosecution says Bickett's daughter will be called as a witness in the case. The girl's grandmother will care for the child during the no contact order, but it's a complicated situation.
I know you've had the child since June, right?
Yes.
And is it your mother, the grandmother?
Yes.
And is that somewhere where you're living?
Yes.
You live at that house?
Yes, and I also take care of my stepfather. He lives there too.
The judge will allow Bickett to keep working at the house caring for her stepfather, but she cannot be alone with her daughter.
If the child has questions, then you have somebody else talk with the child. But you can't say things like, don't say anything or mom's gonna go to jail. Do you understand? You may never. Take the child to school, pick up the child by yourself. Have any time where there's not another adult.
Melissa Etheridge is the grandmother. She has a tattoo of Javarius on her arm. The family believes the level 1 felony charge against Kiera is too harsh for an accident. Bickett told the judge she still plans to hire her own attorney and is meeting with one soon. Bickett is due back in court September 22nd when the judge will revisit the terms of the no contact order. At the Marion County Community Justice Campus, Rich Nye, 13 News.
So before I speak on this, I'd like to give my condolences to the child that lost his life. Now, if there's anything that we can learn from this situation here, there are 2 places your firearm should be. It should be on your person, and if it's not on your person and there are other people around you, your firearm should be locked and stored away. Ladies, please refrain from leaving your firearms in your purse, especially when you're around children. So I get it. The ladies, it's a little bit more difficult for them to conceal carry a firearm just because women's clothes tend to fit a little bit more snug versus the clothes that men wear that are on the baggier side, right? But if you have children, you may have to sacrifice style. And if you don't want to do that, you at least have to make sure that your firearm is properly secure when it's around children. So I would suggest that you invest into some form of a lockbox. If you were in the car with your children and your firearm is not on your person, that gun needs to be locked away in one of these. These are relatively inexpensive. You can get these I got this particular one at Harbor Freight. You can get them from there. You can get them from Amazon, Walmart. You know, there are plenty of places out there, tons of resources that you can purchase these, and they're very inexpensive. I paid about $20 for this and it gets the job done. I don't have any children, but if I have someone in my home and my firearm is not on my person, I make sure that my gun is properly stored away. Now, this is not my EDC, but I'm just using this as an example. Really, really easy here. You take that gun, you put it in there, and you lock it up. It's really that simple. Put your key in, turn it, take the key out. It doesn't open at all. Very, very effective. And it definitely can keep children away. As long as the kid doesn't have access to this key, there's no reason that child should have access to the firearm.